In this video, let us see how to create a 3D live wallpaper with your own images. To do that, you need to download an application from the Play Store, that is 3D wallpaper parallax. And you should have a background image and your image in the PNG format. Means there you should not have your background. And if you don't know how to remove the background or erase the background, there are a lot of videos in the YouTube. You can check them and you can do through that method. Once you have this app and your images, now you can create a 3D live wallpaper which will surprise your friends and other people whenever they took your phone. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Now we are on the mobile screen. Once you downloaded and installed the application, just open the application. And here there will be a lot of 3D wallpapers. You can choose any one of them. But our topic was how to create a 3D wallpaper by our own images. To do that, in the bottom, if you look, means there is an plus icon. Just tap over the plus icon. And again in the bottom right corner there is an plus icon. Just tap over that. And here you choose from gallery. And now first I will choose my background image. And again in the top, if you look, means there is an option called add layer. Just tap over there and again click on the plus icon and choose from gallery. Now here I will choose my second image, that is jeep, and I will place it over the background image wherever I like it. And also you can scale the image to upside and downside, and you can move the image wherever you want. Just now I will scale my image little bit small and I will place it over here. And again click on the add layer. Again click on the plus, choose from gallery. Now I will choose my pic and I will scale down it little bit. And I will place it over the jeep. And if you all set, in the bottom right corner there is an option called preview. You can preview it. You can tilt your phone right, left, and you can check that. And once you all set, and if you like that, means just click on the set wallpaper and your wallpaper will be applied. And I will go back to my home and I will show you. And if you look, means whenever I tilt my phone right to left, means the image will also move. This will make your friends and any other people surprised whenever they took your phone. And this is how can you create your 3D live wallpapers. And the best tip I can give to by creating this 3D wallpaper is before you creating that 3D wallpaper, you better edit that photo in Photoshop or in the PicsArt if you don't have Photoshop, means, and choose any good background to your image and do all the color adjustments, brightness, contrast, and all that. And once you all set, just again you turn off your background and save your image as a PNG file with all filters applied. After doing all that, if you create your 3D wallpaper, means it will look awesome and cool. And if you don't know how to edit your photos in Photoshop or maybe in PicsArt, I will do one thing for you. Just send your picture to my mail ID, that which is mentioned in the below description box. You send your image to my mail ID and I will create the 3D wallpaper for you, and I will upload the wallpaper in that application, that is a 3D wallpaper parallax, and I will share the link of that to your mail ID, where you can click that link and directly it will take to the wallpaper of yours and you can set your wallpaper by there. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you have liked this video. Please click on the like button and like this video, and do share this video with your friends so they can also create their own 3D wallpapers. And don't forget to subscribe for this channel, because in future I am going to get more interesting videos for you. So stay tuned for that. Until that, bye bye.